Welcome, fellow explorers, to a journey into the heart of our planet. Today we embark on an adventure to understand one of nature's most powerful and unpredictable forces, earthquakes. These seismic events have fascinated and terrified humanity for centuries, and by the end of this journey you'll have a deeper appreciation for the dynamic world beneath our feet. Today we delve into the realm of earthquakes. These sudden, often violent shaking events are caused by the movement of the Earth's crust. But what exactly triggers these movements, and why do they happen? These natural phenomena, as awe-inspiring as they are terrifying, remind us of the immense power that lies beneath our feet. The Earth's crust is divided into several large and small pieces known as tectonic plates. These plates are constantly moving, albeit very slowly, and their interactions can lead to the release of enormous amounts of energy. Imagine, for a moment, the ground beneath you transforming from solid earth into a rippling wave. This is what happens during an earthquake. The energy released by the shifting tectonic plates travels through the earth in the form of seismic waves, causing the ground to shake and move. Buildings sway, the ground cracks open, and for a brief, terrifying moment, the very foundation of our world seems to crumble. The impact of an earthquake can be devastating, leading to loss of life, destruction of infrastructure, and long-term economic challenges for affected communities. This is the raw, untamed force of an earthquake. The aftermath can be catastrophic, with landslides, tsunamis, and aftershocks compounding the initial damage. Yet amidst the chaos, there is also a story of resilience and recovery. Earthquakes have shaped our planet and left their mark on human history. From the ancient cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum, buried under volcanic ash and debris, to the modern metropolises that have been rebuilt time and again, the story of earthquakes is also the story of human endurance and ingenuity. From ancient civilizations wiped out in an instant to modern cities brought to their knees, these events serve as stark reminders of our planet's dynamism. Yet they also highlight the incredible resilience of the human spirit as communities come together to rebuild and recover. Yet, amidst the devastation, we also find stories of resilience, of communities coming together, and of the indomitable human spirit rising from the rubble. Volunteers, rescue workers, and ordinary citizens all play a crucial role in the recovery process, demonstrating the best of humanity in the face of adversity. Join me now as we journey back in time and across continents. We will explore the deadliest earthquakes in recorded history, uncovering the stories behind the statistics and examining the science that explains these earth-shattering events. We will explore the deadliest earthquakes in recorded history, uncovering the stories behind the statistics and examining the science that explains these earth-shattering events. Through interviews with survivors and experts, we will gain a deeper understanding of the human and scientific aspects of these natural disasters. Our journey will be one of discovery, of understanding, and ultimately of hope. By learning about the forces that shape our planet, we can better prepare for the future and build safer, more resilient communities. For in understanding the forces that shape our planet, we can better prepare for the future and build safer, more resilient communities. Earthquake-resistant buildings, early warning systems, and community preparedness drills are just a few of the ways we can mitigate the impact of these natural events. But before we delve into specific events, let's first take a moment to understand what causes these seismic shifts. The Earth's crust is like a giant jigsaw puzzle, with pieces that are constantly moving and interacting. Imagine the Earth's crust as a giant jigsaw puzzle, broken into massive pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are in constant, albeit very slow, motion, bumping, grinding, and sliding against each other. These plates are in constant, albeit very slow motion, bumping, grinding, and sliding against each other. The friction and pressure that build up at their boundaries can eventually be released in the form of an earthquake. It's along the boundaries of these plates where most earthquakes occur. These regions, known as fault lines, are the epicenters of seismic activity. Understanding these fault lines and the behavior of tectonic plates is crucial for predicting and preparing for future earthquakes. Our journey begins in the year 1556, in the Shanxi province of China. This region, known for its rich history and cultural heritage, was about to face an unprecedented catastrophe. On the morning of January 23rd, as the sun rose over the tranquil villages, disaster struck with unimaginable force. The serenity of the morning was shattered in an instant. The ground beneath Shanxi shuddered. sending shockwaves through the land, unleashing an earthquake so powerful that it would forever etch its mark in history. Ancient scrolls and historical documents record this event as one of the most devastating natural disasters ever witnessed. This was no ordinary tremor. It was a cataclysm of epic proportions. The Shanxi earthquake, estimated to have been around magnitude 8.0, ripped through the region with unimaginable violence. The sheer power of the quake was enough to alter the landscape. Entire cities and villages, once bustling with life, were reduced to rubble in a matter of seconds. The ground beneath literally rippled, swallowing homes, temples, and people into its depths. Historical records, though fragmented, paint a grim picture of the aftermath. The death toll is believed to have been a staggering 830,000 people, making it the deadliest earthquake in recorded history. The scale of human loss was unimaginable. The destruction was so widespread that it took years, even decades, for the region to recover. The Shanxi earthquake stands as a chilling testament to the sheer power of nature and the vulnerability of human civilization. It serves as a reminder of how fragile our existence is in the face of nature's fury. The lessons learned from this disaster have shaped our understanding of earthquakes and their potential for destruction. The region's recovery was a long and arduous process, marked by resilience and determination. The Shanxi earthquake remains a significant chapter in the annals of natural disasters, reminding us of the ever-present power of nature and the need for preparedness. It underscores the importance of respecting the forces that shape our world and the fragility of human civilization. The Shanxi earthquake, while the deadliest, was not alone in its devastation. Throughout history, the Earth has unleashed its fury in various corners of the world, leaving behind tales of destruction and resilience. Across time and continents, other powerful earthquakes have left their mark on our planet and its people. These seismic events have not only reshaped the physical landscape, but have also profoundly impacted the societies that experience them. In 1138, the bustling city of Aleppo, Syria, was rocked by a massive earthquake, estimated to have been around magnitude 8.5. This catastrophic event struck at the heart of a city known for its vibrant trade and rich cultural heritage. The quake toppled buildings, killing an estimated 230,000 people. The devastation was immense, with entire neighborhoods reduced to rubble and countless lives lost in an instant. The once great city, a center of trade and culture, lay in ruins. The aftermath of the earthquake saw a slow and painful recovery as the survivors struggled to rebuild their lives amidst the debris. Centuries later, in 1976, tragedy struck again, this time in Tangshan, China. The city, known for its industrial prowess, was unprepared for the disaster that was about to unfold. A powerful magnitude 7.5 earthquake ripped through the industrial city, causing widespread devastation. Buildings crumbled, infrastructure was destroyed, and the lives of the city's residents were forever changed. The official death toll was recorded as 242,000, but some estimates put the number as high as 655,000. The sheer scale of the disaster overwhelmed rescue efforts, and the city was left to grapple with the immense loss. The Tangshan earthquake serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerability of even modern cities to the Earth's awesome power. Despite advancements in technology and infrastructure, the forces of nature can still bring a city to its knees. Just 4 years later, in 1920, another powerful earthquake, this one measuring magnitude 7.8, struck Haiyuan, China. This event further highlighted the seismic volatility of the region. The quake, which occurred along the Haiyuan Fault, claimed the lives of over 200,000 people. The destruction was widespread, with entire communities wiped out and the landscape forever altered. The Haiyuan earthquake, like those before it, left a trail of destruction in its wake, a grim reminder of the ever-present threat of seismic activity. These events underscore the need for preparedness and resilience in the face of nature's unpredictable power. The 21st century, despite advances in technology and disaster preparedness, has also witnessed the devastating power of earthquakes. On December 26, 2004, a massive earthquake measuring a staggering 9.1 to 9.3 on the Richter scale struck off the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. This earthquake, however, was just the beginning of the disaster. The seismic shift triggered a series of tsunamis, giant waves that radiated across the Indian Ocean, crashing into coastlines as far away as Africa. The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami claimed the lives of over 230,000 people across 14 countries, making it one of the deadliest natural disasters in human history. In 2010, tragedy struck the Caribbean nation of Haiti. A magnitude 7.0 earthquake, centered near the capital city of Port-au-Prince, devastated the already impoverished nation. The earthquake, exacerbated by poor building construction and limited infrastructure, resulted in over 200,000 deaths and widespread destruction.